Despite having a large selection of SUVs and commercial vehicles that may be utilized as a foundation for a camper, Toyota is not currently manufacturing or promoting motorhomes under its own brand worldwide until 2025. Using a current Toyota chassis or platform, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is most likely a third-party bodywork alteration. The Toyota Hiace, Toyota Coaster, and Toyota Land Cruiser or Hilux are popular foundation cars for motorhome conversions. High or pop-up roofs for more standing area and additional bedrooms are popular external characteristics of Toyota motorhome conversions, regardless of the source vehicle. Extra windows to let in more natural light and airflow in the cabin. With a range of clever storage options for lengthy trips, the interior design will prioritize effective use of available space. The use of durable, easily cleaned, and weatherproof materials in outdoor settings. A dynamic resting space for unwinding and a cozy, readily adaptable sleeping area. There is a temporary restroom or toilet with a tiny sink, as well as a small kitchen with a stove, sink, and small refrigerator. An efficient ventilation system keeps the cabin's air flowing. A user-friendly infotainment system, electronic device connectivity, and perhaps intelligent functions to regulate the temperature, lighting, and other systems. Both artificial lighting and natural light from windows work well together to create a cozy ambience. Here is an estimate of the engines that might be utilized in conversions for 2025 if we look at the Toyota Hiace, the basic vehicle that is frequently used for campervan conversions. Numerous turbocharged diesel engines with different displacements, for example, 2.5L to 0.8L or 3.0L, provide sufficient torque to support the weight of the campervan. Although they are less frequent for campervans because of their relatively lower torque, some markets may also offer petrol engine alternatives.